Top 8. Wedding trends. Modern weddings are no longer just about pretty decor and beautiful details. Today's celebrations are about creating experiences, emotion, and intentional design that guests will remember long after the event is over. If you are planning a wedding, or if you are an event designer, it is important to understand what is shaping the future of luxury wedding design. In this video, I am sharing the top 8 wedding trends influencing modern luxury weddings and explaining why these ideas are transforming the way celebrations are designed and experienced. The first trend is intentional color stories. Modern weddings are embracing curated color storytelling instead of simple color combinations. Popular palettes include olive and dusty rose, deep mocha and soft blush, butter yellow and champagne, and muted orchid paired with grage. Couples want colors that reflect their personality and the feeling they want their wedding to create. Instead of simply saying their wedding colors are blue and gold, couples are designing visual stories with themes such as romantic earth luxe, soft European garden, and modern regal neutrals. The second trend is sculptural floral installations. Florals are no longer just centerpieces placed on tables. Designers are now creating dramatic floral installations, like hanging floral clouds above the reception, elegant floral chandeliers, lush ground meadow aisles, and asymmetrical statement arches that frame the ceremony. Couples want that unforgettable wow moment when guests walk into the venue, creating a space that feels immersive and artistic. The third trend is elevated minimalism. Minimalism today does not mean empty or plain. It focuses on intentional design with clean tables, open space, high-end materials, and rich textures like velvet and linen. Luxury today is about quiet confidence where less clutter creates a stronger and more elegant visual impact. The fourth trend is candlelight receptions. Candlelight is becoming one of the most powerful design features in modern weddings. Designers are incorporating floating candles, glass cylinder candles, long taper candle runs, and warm ambient lighting throughout the venue. Lighting sets the emotional tone, and candlelight instantly creates a romantic, intimate, and luxurious atmosphere. The fifth trend is custom guest experiences. Weddings are becoming more interactive and immersive for guests. Couples are adding elements such as signature scents for the venue, custom drink experiences, live painters capturing the celebration, elegant champagne walls, content creator booths for social media memories, and guest phone audio message stations where loved ones can leave heartfelt recordings. Couples want guests to truly experience the wedding, not just attend it. The sixth trend is textured tablescapes. Wedding tables are becoming more layered and visually detailed. Designers are using ribbed glass chargers, matte stoneware plates, layered linen napkins, custom menu cards, and embossed paper details. Texture photographs beautifully and adds depth and sophistication to the overall design. The seventh trend is statement dance floors. Dance floors are becoming focal design features within the reception space. Designers are incorporating custom monograms, marble-style floors, LED illuminated flooring, and elevated sweetheart stages. The dance floor becomes the stage for one of the most memorable moments of the celebration, the couple's first dance. The eighth trend is meaningful personal touches. Weddings are becoming more personal and emotionally meaningful. Couples are honoring family members with memory tables, writing private vows before the ceremony, including cultural traditions, and planning full wedding weekends instead of one-day events. These thoughtful details create celebrations that feel deeper and more memorable. Modern weddings are not about doing more decorations or adding endless details. They are about designing with intention through meaningful color, emotional lighting, immersive design, guest experiences, and personal moments that tell a couple's story. If you are a decorator or planner watching this, ask yourself one important question. Are you simply designing pretty events, or are you creating unforgettable experiences? Let me know in the comments which trend you love the most, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more luxury